Hello, and welcome to today's yoga practice. Today we will twist and detox our body, open our chest, and balance our emotions. So let's start by standing on our mat. Close your eyes, and with a breath in, bring your arms up and let them glide down to your heart center. With a gentle bow, set the intention for today's class. Bring both arms up and interlace the fingers behind your head. Breathe in, breathe out, curve forward. Breathe in, open your chest. Breathe out, curve, bring your body of sternum back. Breathe in and open your chest. Mobilizing our spine, opening the chest. Stretch your arms up and going down to a down fold. Bending one knee after the other, finding a nice stretch behind our knees. Welcome your breath. Allow yourself to listen to your breath in and out. Curve. Breathe in, look to the horizon, open the chest. Breathe out, curve. Breathe in, open the chest, mobilizing the whole spine. As you curve, pull the navel in. As you arch, open the chest. Curve and find the full range of your spine. Look to the horizon. Down, jump back, step back, control chaturanga. Breathe in, open your chest. Breathe out, down facing dog. Pull the navel in, engage the space between your scapulas, shoulders down. Lift the right leg up and step forward to the high lunge. Arms up, opening the chest. Breathe in, breathe out, down. Release the right leg up, finding a nice twist. Revolted high lunge. And bring the right leg back. Release knee to nose and three-legged dog. Few more like that. Knee to nose, control. Waking up our core. One more, knee to nose and up, and control three-legged chaturanga. Breathe in, open the chest, down facing dog. Release the left leg up and high lunge, step forward. Check the back leg is engaged. Open the chest, hips are leveled. And with a breath out, back to the ground, open your left arm to the ceiling, finding nice twist here, detoxifying our body, and bring the knee to nose and three-legged dog. Knee to nose and three-legged dog. Open the space between your thighs, pull the navel in, and control chaturanga. Breathe in, open the chest, and pull your tailbone back to the ceiling. Long spine. Breathe deeply. Look forward, jump forward, step forward. Breathe in, look to the horizon. Breathe out. And float up and float down. Breathe in, look to the horizon. Breathe out, bend your knees. Go into a chair pose. Pull the navel in, engage your buttocks. Bring your arms to your heart center and the right elbow to your left knee, finding a nice twist. Feel free to stay here, bringing your pelvis a little bit closer to the ground, or open your arms. Place right arm next to your left foot and left to the ceiling. And coming back, bringing arms back to the center, chair pose. Down, breathe out. Breathe in, look to the horizon. Breathe out. And coming back to a chair pose. To the left side, left elbow to the right knee. Feel free to stay here. Or opening the arms. Pulling the navel in, engaging Mula Bandha, our pelvic floor, finding the long spine here. And arms to the heart center, coming back to the chair pose, and all the way down. Breathe in, look to the horizon. Breathe out, step back, jump back, control Chaturanga. And breathe in, breathe out, down, facing dog, right leg up. Bend your knee, open your hip. Find a space, find a stretch in the front of your hip. And moving the knee through, placing it. And bringing the pelvis up, opening the chest. Finding a strong and long line between your fingertips and your toe tips. Finding a calm breath and bringing the knee back into the three-legged dog. Stepping through into the side twisted plank. Vasisthasana. Opening the chest. Gentle hip dip. And coming back to a side plank again. Long line, bringing hips a little bit higher. Keeping our hips facing forward and hips leveled, navel in, space between your ribs, and coming back to a three-legged Chaturanga. Breathe in, open the chest, breathe out, down, facing dog. Release the left leg up, open the hip, open the space between your thighs, and guide your knee through, bringing the pelvis high to the ceiling, opening the chest, finding a long stretch between your fingertips and your toes. And finding your way back to a three-legged down facing dog, stepping forward into the side twisted plank. And with control, gently bring your pelvis down and up. Hips are leveled, core engaged. Both armpits are looking forward, making sure that our chest is open. Coming back through a three-legged Chaturanga. Breathe in and breathe out, down facing dog. Look forward, step forward. Breathe into the horizon, breathe out. Breathing, float up. Samastitihi. Arms up and float down again. Breathing, look far. Jump back, step back, walk back. Control Chaturanga. Breathing, keep the flow going. Release the right leg up and let the heel take you back. Slowly rotating your chest, going for the wild thing pose. Bringing your both hips facing more to the ceiling. Preparation for the full wheel. And coming back to a three-legged dog. Step forward. And bend your knee, low lunge, Bring your arms up, breathe in. Let your arms glide to the heart center and go for a gentle twist here. Feel free to lift your back knee to increase the intensity a little bit more. Bringing your left hip more forward, more down, stretch that back leg. And bringing your arms up, high lunge, opening to warrior two. Breathe in, reverse warrior. Breathe out. And breathe in, open the chest. Keep your hips facing forward. Long spine. Strong core, pull the navel in, coming back down, control chaturanga. Open the chest every time just a little bit more, and left leg up. Bend your knee, let your heel take you back, opening more and more. Breathe. Long spine from your tailbone to the crown of your head. And coming back up to a three-legged dog, into the lunge forward, placing the right knee down, low lunge, and gentle transition to a twist. You can stay here, or you can elevate your knee, your right knee, stretch that leg behind you. Keep the knee over the ankle. Long line from your heel to the crown of your head. High lunge into warrior two. And reverse warrior. And elbow to knee, or placing the hand to the ground. See how far you want to take it. Listen to your body. This is the most important thing. Listen to the flow in your body of the energy. Traveling down through control chaturanga. Breathing, open the chest. And down facing dog, long spine. Pull the navel in, walk or jump forward. Breathe in, look to the horizon. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, float up. Breathe out, float down. Breathe in, look far. Jump back, step back. And just a nice transition to a child pose. Let go. Finding a nice stretch in our spine. Feel free to elevate your wrists if you need a little extra stretch in your spine. Wiggle your head to release unnecessary tension in your neck. Or just even to check in that you can release even more. And step to the right corner with your both arms, bringing your left armpit closer to the ground, elevating the wrist here as well, if that feels right, and slowly transitioning through the center to the left, diagonal, bringing our right armpit closer to the ground. Nice stretch. Calm breath. Release unnecessary tension here. And coming back to the center. Bring your arms behind you, bringing pelvis forward for a camel pose. Opening that heart of yours. And breathe out. Place the hips back down. We're going for 2 more like that. So pace yourself and see if you want to touch the heels this time, or place the bricks under your hands to be a little bit taller to prepare for this camel pose. And going down, roll your shoulders to release any tension and let it take you for the last camel pose. Opening the heart, pulling the navel in, long spine. Let the tailbone take you down. And to finish up, we're going for a fire log pose, placing the left leg over the right, elongating the spine, calming our breath. Feel free to close your eyes and bring your attention inward, gently folding forward. Opening the chest here if you're folding forward, making sure that the shoulder blades are open. Breathing into areas that are stretching. And when you're ready, switch the leg, bringing the right leg over the left. Long spine here. And feel free to stay here or gently fold forward. Or if your body allows, placing both elbows in front of you, going even further down. Let go in your neck. Let go in your heart and in your body and in your mind. And to finish up the practice, easy cross-legged, breathe in, float your arms up, let them glide to your heart center, thanking yourself for finishing the practice. Namaste.